We should feel ashamed. We are ignorant towards the fact that nature does need people. People need nature.
We need to start considering nature as a human being rather than a natural resource.
We harm nature in various ways.
For instance, we cause deforestation, which endangers not only ourselves but wildlife too.
Deforestation brings many negative effects to the environment.
One of the most dramatic impacts is a loss of habitat for millions of species.
Deforestation is destroying the homes of 70% of the Earth's land, animals, and plants living in the forest.
Also, the coral reef. We tear it apart with dynamite and poison it with cyanide.
The coral reef has been growing for 250 million years, and now 1/5 of it is gone.
We do this for our own needs without thinking about the negative impact towards the environment.
In 1 hour, the sun gives the Earth the same amount of energy consumed by all humanity.
All we have to do is stop drilling the earth and start looking to the sky.
As Mother Nature says, your actions determine your fate.